Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Of course, I've already started a little bit. But anyway, welcome. Today we're going to do a makeup review and look of Kimchi's from their Juicy 9 palette. This one is Mango Tango. Look at those colors. Beautiful. We're going to do something fun today, so stay tuned. So we're starting off with Sky Blue. So we're going to do Cotton Candy on the inside. Get Dragon Fruit. Ooh, really? So I used, hey everyone, so I used Kimchi's Sun Kissed and her highlighter right there. So this is Sun Kissed in June palette on Kimchi Beauty Chic, if you want to get it. And we're gonna put on some lipstick. So we're gonna put on Kimchi's High Key Gloss Natural Pink. There you are. Hope you enjoyed. I have to say I give it a 10. It's got a lot of color pigment. Kimchi Chic Beauty, it has some of the best pigments. So 10 out of 10. Go get you a palette. Everything's in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And like, comment, share with your friends. Bye.